In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple Phantom wallets. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Phantom wallet. Once you log into your Phantom wallet, you're going to see right here at the top, account 1. We're going to tap on this arrow. Once you tap on that drop down arrow, you're going to see the account that you're currently on. And you'll see right now, I only have one account, account 1. To add a new Phantom wallet, we're going to go down here to the bottom and tap on add/connect wallet. You're going to see these options come up. We're going to go with the first one, which is create new account. We can name it whatever we want. We'll just stick with account 2 and tap on create at the bottom. Now you'll see at the top that we're in account 2. And if we click the drop down arrow, you can see that I now have 2 Phantom wallet accounts. If we want to add another one, we'll just go again to add/connect a new wallet. Select the first option, which is create new account. We can name it whatever we want. We'll just stick with account 3. Go to the bottom and tap create. And you'll see at the top, we're now in account 3. And as you can see, I just created 2 new Phantom wallets. If you want to create more, repeat the process. It's as simple as that. And that's how to create multiple wallets on Phantom. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.